What is going on, guys? So today we're here at Coffee and Cars and it is freaking packed. DDE is supposed to be here, so a little bit too close. Daily Driven Exotic is supposed to be here, so everybody's kind of going crazy.
How you been, sir?
Doing well, how are you?
I'm good, man.
And that's a nice color.
Nice car. Hey! I was taking credit for it. Act like a Mustang.
Yeah, it's kind of live. The emblem lights up. Ooh, and it's Whipple supercharged. Whoa, look at that. The whole front is carbon fiber. That's insane. Empty up here and shit, but over there, man, it is just so packed.
Everybody's here just to see Damon.
This thing is live. Damn, that's cool. Ooh, look, it's the Honda Ruckus Squad. Honda S2000, baby. That's carbon fiber hardtop. I like those canards too. Look at that. Damn, that looks good. This is the Voltec front bumper. Well, I want to know what y'all thoughts are. Dual exit exhaust or single exit? I'm debating on which exhaust I want to get. I know dual exit from the S2000 community here in Houston. Dual exit's more for the aesthetics, but single exit is more for performance because it's lighter. Yo, this is a clean Beamer. Fuck with that. Oh, it's an Apocalypse thing. The Apocalypse and like the Prospect guys here in Houston, they always do it so big and they always look so clean. That all fits pretty well. You can see that boy tucks. Same in the rear. Looks good, not gonna lie. Flex your inferiority. Get one of these. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it looks alright.
Alright, going to watch cars leave. Let's go see what all this shit's about.
Alright, the war, cars and coffee!
They're after him. Oh shit. Busted.
Alright, now everybody else go.
This guy's getting cornered here. Did you see it go down?
No, I saw it from like afar.
Shoot. Yeah, rev it. There's cars across Texas trying to get the scoop. Look at this! They're coming to tow his ass.
So, he won't tell me what he did. It's just child endangerment.
Child endangerment?
Because he has his kid in the car.
Ah. Tow trucks now? I think he's getting the plates for all people who are acting stupid. What's he gonna do with them? I don't know, but holy shit, I just noticed. Look at that. These people are standing up there fucking crazy, man. There he goes again.
It was my first time in a long time standing on the curb at Coffee and Cars and watching it get crazy, and it did get pretty crazy. So I think that's where I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.